Tigers. Welcome to this week's edition of Wednesdays with Warnock. I love getting to be your superintendent, Dr. Warnock, and we are here with the amazing Bradley Daniels. He is our welding instructor here at Terrell High School. So, Mr. Daniels, tell us a little bit about how you came to Terrell. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, actually, I was born and raised here in Terrell. I graduated from Terrell.
Awesome.
I went to college for welding and went and worked about 10 years in industry and came back to teach.
Okay, well, we're so glad you're here. You should see the amazing work that happens here. So tell us a little bit about the program, some of the things you're proud of.
So we just got done finished with our industry certifications. I work with Nucor here in Terrell, and we do some stuff with Madex. Actually, Nucor sends out their CWI, their Certified Welding Inspector, and we do industry certification. We just got done with that last week.
So kids can leave here and go right into jobs in the industry.
Yes, ma'am.
That here in our community.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
That's
the goal.
Fantastic. So, to tell any other special projects or things that y'all are working on?
Well, we're doing some stuff for the softball field right now, and we just started some different processes out here welding. So we're just plugging away with the welding.
Well, I'll tell you, it amazes me as I've gone around the district and all the things that y'all do for the school district and for the community that have been pointed out. Just amazing work. So we're thankful for you and for the work that's happening here in Welding and Terrell ISD.
Well, we enjoy it.
That's this week's edition of Wednesdays with Warnock. We'll see you next time.